Normal Kenyam, Biakamal ka Nor online TV channel. Larbana linga, Larry Witch ka Nasser, ka Dwarven chi civiliani, Keji Witch ka Rodian Barkaja, Ray Witch. Shuman Kwar and Cab Nasser, La County Commissioner, Nasser County Commissioner, Banamandan and Charlotte Guas, me Bana Jelling. Malat Kona me Bia Dope and Terka Kur Keje, Kim and Maka Nasser. Kimen make jiwit ke je ala civilian ay kan asir biya jalin na me habdet me tok mishan nong rech ka dob dan de randa me tok re kan asir da jalin ogwa na me roja dan inshallah the county commissioner ban jalin kel baje kwen ka tungnat kenyam ka kore baje winyok me lada je ka tuk english bana chu ka jan breaking news me chet kamen ngay yen wo chu ko che to re wi kan nasir ko kon go dupten kon tin to ko me to ko ke ja update me bi aje linga gwa ko do badan en charge lat ke je kwera la commissioner are kur ndana chi to chala do nene ala SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force de ne kirma yadit you know de ne kirma yadit en kuren chi kana to kura me wa kep kani jaji wach re reak ka nasir kana wa lokani bon nan chalke unimis alaji unimis shika ben gwel ka nasir alaji unimis ken dole ken kaneti kont laji nasir en bonamo dole ka kwar which ni His Excellency Nasser County Commissioner Galwak Lew Tiep Jaram Dana la County Commissioner Jaram Dana Rach ke ji Unimis you know ken deni tila deni kirmi yadit chicken kwar ke His Excellency Galwak Lew Tiep chicken jogo no nena chine Unimis chine gorno bugeten gwasama ke jien chine gorno dol ken ke ya chine gorno biatre dola kakel akajian you know na me a warning mi cha to bakan de ni kirma yadit gwade dol naten ko dol ngwane aka jiwich ka ngai ko lat ji yun mi sano ngumala kana dol gaja akan ten ko ten lat ko ne kana gorno bakan tare bakan ngach ko kan de konen top ka lok you know tega dol ka mi tega dol ko mon gwasa mo chunetin la South Sudan People Defense Force la de ni kirma yadit chu kana gorno bakan naad bakan ka wona no de ne to de ka jian re wich you know alo kan de ni kirma yadi da wa shi karo da alaka shi karo da alaka no de kan ne tun wande kan kan na kare wich you know ka shi kan gorno de ne ko la ji unimis de kan na me de kan nintan ajan mu jokan kan no ne ti ka jian ji unimis ka jian shi ne ka gore wajen gwasa me ka jian anna me shu kwar shu guje no angu me de na jian ka je kan ne ti kan ne ti dole kan ka ji wich tele manang de nuktin you know akam dien kaneten kon atila jiwich ka kwar rand dawich she would have mela His Excellency you know galwak la manana chalat poinde chu gorno nena baka jogono ala en bon yuni miseme chaka moy ka warga nen yal tongomi chaka moy ka warga nen yal ken jel ken ka warga ne ken kon jel ko tel ji yuni mis de jaloro bang te tel warga na you know ano de ko dol ga jiwich tegen ga chong me de ka dol ga jakana cha tidien de ke ko cha de jogono yene shwa dol ga nano mo chele no shuga lwaga jogono ne ti kene di shamu ka warga nan yal ka kuje mo kene ti bitit kene kel an gwasmo shukane shuto kame bakarar kandinya shukan jal ke teacher ke kame candidate no jal kan ka torbielen kon ngayen ka tindita la kanat barkaja ka kariya kana shirke me chikan chirke tila kan kalen wala kan kan ka chu koro mo chu to ko ngwasmo chu ngwanden konten chalga jejembor chu kan churing gwanden konte gaten ko re dul no mo tungwan te gaten jen duo badan to kor ke jeno chu kor chu to ni ngwadmo ka kan ji wurin realika ka realika madit ina an kore me cha de ni SSPDF ina wuda me hajin wuda dana Kam Nasser mala commissioner His Excellency Galwak jaram nanen la kwar commissioner re wik Nasser ina alajen sharoda bar jana sharoda bar shan ngudre wajen tama ka Nasser sharoda bar guardian ko gwada antene tene kan gwada konan kwala shel ke gwada konan barka kim tila de dwai keten ina jana shineroda bar re wich alla ngani din kon la jeje bora kan din konten chade chaja jojok no lo ci dech chalo gwada danan teten ka baragda ke maxen ke ger manan teten alo ci jejen bor chaka jojok are kura me tele liam chalaten tele ne cha bar chalaten dundo ci koro dide mo chatok antaman cha kula la jene alaka ne de konti la deni SSPDF ke deni kirma yadi ta wace taniyan ci gajiyan alo ntama wate ke den te bijian te jen ka ulang te jen ka malakal te jen win ko ken ko bugo wora wich ka Nasser lo bukan winyin ke ne te kon tin la civilian ke je wich no ajen lerme chaje la te melo mutuok ko deni chaga joja la tok no wa bugo ben ka dam mu da dien ka bugo winyin ga nare wich ka Nasser ni chiang la la ngum go deni jere wich ka Nasser deni ngum shi aga woja ka wi yara diu de ka wo de ka wi ni koken ko ne ti akan manana to akan kor la kan ka to ni chang la reality jene ka manana to ka Nasser kan ne tin kon tin de tin de kon shular ne ala de tin kon tin ten wena mo ken e mat nuare jang equatorian tet a combination medung dor tungwan akene de content pinker ma yadit chiga jang korodian ngwan nuwer tene long kwarken bona ka nuwer kane konti la de nin gwasmo ano anyok odor ba cha be bang la be bon ne re wike juba ko ka nuwer bon mien guyene ne ideality ti dong gorge je de Nasser de je daga tela liala to ko ne shang te nuwer te ka tetten ano bana liu ga nuwer de kan chara gwa ano antama ba chu gujino dong ka jang ni nyoka nuwer ban nuwer ka rodi ne kan de content na kan nuwer madung mede nuwer de kan chartin ka do badan de ko nyam ka je de gwa na madara gwa ko Nasser china liu te long ni shang ka jen kore shang shidemen shane no top ka wonen kan wadi ala no ajeno gor ka jeno de na te kama de na te kamal kwar dide te nyam de kan charre la kwar nuwer de kan do badan de na te ka je de kan guch ko dong de na liu ni shang ke jen ku ko me ku o e ngu ba ji yune mis ka jamare wi ka Nasser me jen ter ka mo ka gwejen wo tele chong chaga de kef en o wo jaro don ji yune mis chig politician ji yune mis gui kenten kon lat ko re wich bika datan bika ne gather ka ta dana ching na ga je mi shuina ko kne ti la kan de content kwa peace kwa monitor ke ne den kono kwa logbo kwa to ba mi shuina neme jena na gode la riga toknat ke jen riga dan chitu okre wich ka Nasser ke jen gwasme ba je ladye ka tok English ka do bran chaja gor ke civilian flee Nasser amid heavy fighting. Heavy fighting has broken out in Nasser town, Upper Nile State, between government forces and local residents, causing the town to be abandoned by its inhabitants. The clash began on Friday afternoon and continued to the evening. Nasser County Commissioner Galwag Leotiep said that he fled the town and reported that the situation remained tense. Local youth reportedly stayed in control, while the South Sudan People Defense Forces (SSPDF) retreated to their barrack outside the town. The commissioner accused the SSPDF force of instigating the violence, claiming they attacked civilians in the market. At 2 p.m., SSPDF forces attacked civilians in the market sparking heavy fighting. He said, "We were holding a meeting with the UNMISS team who visited on Thursday when the fighting erupted, forcing us to cancel the meeting and move to a safer location outside the town." They've also suggested the attack had been premeditated. When UNMISS arrived yesterday, the SSPDF commander instructed me to ask the team to leave. As he didn't want their presence, I explained that UNMISS had received approval from higher authorities. Shortly after, he called again, saying the team could stay. He claimed, "I believe the SSPDF had planned this attack and didn't want any witness like UNMISS around." SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lu Rui Kong said he was still gathering detail on the fighting. Civil society activist and executive director of the Center for Peace and Advocacy, Terma Nyangat, condemned the violence. "We condemn this attack and urge ceasefire monitor to investigate the incident," he said. This is not the first time tension have escalated between the army and local civilians. Clashes between the two sides have occurred periodically. Last year, Upper Nile State Governor Jimmy Odok Oyai said that after visiting to Nasa that he found a relationship between the military and citizens were at deadlock and called for dialogue to resolve the issue. No casualties was reported on this incident in Nasser. Jannandano Guren Wode Nwaka Yakela me. Kwaja Nwaka ne Kokien, ban report dien bite Michal Nong Ban Jiling. Kajan Guazman Tamango the Telemishi Barrage, Banamridian Ban Jiling, Michi Kum South Sudan, Che Rwanti Chekaling. Tin kon lat garudin ko biken information ke roani tin kon ito nasar biken kon collect biken kula lana ajan ta dan enchi nameche ben kaja ane biate mal bye bye.